Do you ever find yourself in a situation where you really want to be able to use your mobile data on your iPad or laptop? With Personal Hotspot you can, and this is how it works. As long as you've got a decent 3G, 4G or even 5G signal, and if your carrier supports it, so your mobile network supports the feature, you can jump into settings and go to Personal Hotspot. On here you can turn the hotspot on, but I'd recommend you set a password first. That means that you don't want someone random to join your phone's network. I'm going to put in a very secure password here, as you can see, and then I'll switch that hotspot on. You may notice a setting called Maximize Compatibility. You can turn this on if you want to, and it's great if you're connecting to older devices from a newer iPhone like an iPhone 12. By default, the iPhone 12 uses what's called the 5 GHz network. Now this is great for most modern devices. It gives a really quick connection for data between devices. But if you're connecting to something a little bit older, turn this switch on and that will enable 2.4 GHz as well. Don't worry about what any of that means. If it doesn't work, flick it on. When your hotspot is active, all you need to do is jump onto your second device, I'll use my iPad, and go onto the Wi-Fi network settings. From here you should see that phone showing up as a personal hotspot, and if you haven't put the password in before, you need to enter it now. If you have, it will remember you from before. And that's it. You can now see a new icon in the top corner of my iPhone. That means that another device is piggybacking off of my 4G signal, and that iPad can now browse the internet normally. One thing to remember is when you're finished, make sure you turn the hotspot off, otherwise you might find that it's draining data and obviously battery life as well in the background without you realising. That's it though, Personal Hotspot. Really easy to use, really helpful when you need it. That's all from me for now. I hope you found this video useful. Please do like it and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one.